This MindFusion tutorial demonstrates the process of creating custom WPF diagram shapes using the built-in shape designer. Keep in mind that the designer is intended as a sample and is limited in terms of functionality. The designer is available inside the installation of MindFusion, diagramming for WPF. However, it is also included in the sample for this tutorial for convenience. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will create an AND gate circuit diagram shape. Run the Shape Designer application through shapedesign.exe. The Shape Designer opens up with a single rectangular shape ready to be modified. The Shape Designer does not currently support shape renaming. Remember, it's just a sample. Therefore, create a new shape through the Shapes menu and name it AND Gate. Select the newly created shape from the list on the left. In the editor, select the right segment of the shape's rectangle and press the DEL button on the keyboard. This will delete the segment and make the shape triangular. Adjust the endpoints of the shape segments so that it gets deflated on both sides. To adjust a segment, hover over it with the mouse so that its adjustment handles appear, then drag the handles. Select the arc primitive from the list on the right side of the screen. Drag this primitive over the top segment of the shape until it gets highlighted in red, then drop. This will replace the line segment with an arc. Repeat the same process for the bottom segment of the shape. Adjust the middle point of both segments so that the shape looks protruded. Then drag 3 line primitives from the list on the right to the editor pane. Be careful not to drop the primitives over existing elements because this will replace the elements. Align the newly created line primitives with the existing shape. From the list with anchor points at the right side of the application, drag 2 anchor points from the first kind, input only, and 1 anchor point from the second kind, output only, and drop them inside the editor. Align the anchor points with the endpoints of the line segments created in the previous step. With that, we've created the AND gate shape. You can test the shape in the preview diagram at the bottom of the screen. Save the shape library. Using this approach, you can create any node shape that you need. And this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest in MindFusion developer tools.